Introducing the POWERFLUSH Descaling Pump from JKET Green Technology, the ultimate solution for industrial cleaning. Engineered for performance, this powerful pump removes scale and rust from heat exchangers, chillers, condensers, and pipelines without dismantling. It's compact, portable, and easy to operate, saving time and labor. With a high flow rate and strong chemical resistance, it ensures thorough cleaning and extends equipment life. Ideal for industries like HVAC, plastic, textile, and manufacturing, the POWERFLUSH is your go-to maintenance tool. Experience fast, efficient, and safe descaling with POWERFLUSH.